Hi, I'm Dr. Bret Dyer. I'm a periodontist in Sugar Land, Texas. I've been in Fort Bend County in Sugar Land now since 1991. We opened this practice July 1st, 1991. I'm hoping that I can share with you, give you some answers, some insights to the questions that you have. I know that when you look on Google or you're searching the internet for different questions about your gum health, your gum vitality, gum recession, gum disease, dental implants, those types of things. There's lots of information out there, and there's so much out there that I think it can be confusing or even scary sometimes. You know, as a dental specialist, as a periodontist, I'm a specialist in gum treatments. We focus on laser gum treatments. We focus on recession. When you look in the mirror and you smile and your gums have receded, that's something that we can correct. Also, if you're missing teeth or you've had some type of disease in your teeth and you're worried about losing your teeth, or you want the appearance of those teeth to be better, that's the type of thing that we do. And so I hope with these videos that we can give you some insights into the things you should look for, the questions you should ask, and the outcomes you should be able to expect when you undergo or you seek any of these types of treatments.